Hello everyone. I want to show you the Subturtle, which is a English learning tool, and it is something that I'm working on. So I have added a AI tool that will present the AI first. So this is the dashboard really quickly. You could have different group of vocabularies or sentences or whatever you want to practice over. I want to select this conversational bundle. I already have a sort of vocabularies here. As you see, the sentence or the phrase, and the opposite side is the translation. So there is a two way of practicing, flashcard and AI, which calls live session. Let's try the live session now. You can pick a range of words from 1 to 30, or the maximum should be 30, but you can select the range actually. So I go with the random one.
Hello, it's great to have you here. Let's get started with our practice session. Please unmute your microphone so we can begin.
So I enter to a live call with the AI, and AI will help me to understand these vocabularies and practice creating sentences and just internalizing this for me. So since the mic is mute, I need to unmute it and start speaking with the AI. Hello, it's really great that I have you here. What we can do?
Hello, I'm excited to help you practice English. Let's start with our first vocabulary word, but I have a hunch. This phrase means you have a feeling or intuition about something. Can you try using it in a sentence? For example, you could talk about a guess or a feeling you have about something.
Yes, it might be a bit hard for me to use this right now, but I try. Oh, I have a hunch. I think the traditional foods in Tbilisi are a mix of Middle East cuisines.
That's a great use of the phrase, I have a hunch. Your sentence shows that you have a feeling or intuition about the mix of traditional foods in Tbilisi. Well done. Let's move on to the next vocabulary word, but back then. This phrase is used to refer to a time in the past.
No, I have a question over the first one. If you recall, I used the word guess when I said I have a hunch. Then I said I guess. Is that correct of using that, or?
Yes, you're on the right track. I have a hunch and I guess are similar in meaning. But I have a hunch often implies a stronger intuition or feeling about something. I guess can be more of a tentative or uncertain response.
Okay. So for the next word, I would practice over integrity.
Great choice. Let's talk about integrity. Integrity means having strong moral principle and being honest and fair in all your actions.
Can I speak in my mother tongue language? Do you understand? اگر فارسی صحبت کنم میتونم.
Yes, I understand Farsi, but let's continue practicing English. You
Okay.
can
So, I want you to explain integrity in Russian language.
Конечно. Слово integrity на русском языке означает целостность или порядочность. Это качество человека, который придерживается высоких моральных и этических стандартов. Честен и справедлив в своих поступках и решениях.
Okay, thank you. It was really great. Can you let's continue to practicing. How should I use this word?
Great. Using integrity in a sentence can show that someone acts with honesty and strong moral principles. For example, you might say, a person with integrity always keeps their promises. Could you try using integrity in a sentence about a person or a situation?
I think I didn't understand still. How should I use it? How should I put it in the sentence?
No problem. Think of integrity as a quality where a person is honest and does the right thing.
Now give me an example.
Here's an example sentence. Even when faced with difficult choices, Sarah showed great integrity by always doing what she believed was right. In this sentence, integrity emphasizes the importance of staying true to one's principles and values. Would you like to try creating a similar sentence?
Yes, is that a verb?
Actually, a noun, not a verb. It refers to the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles.
Okay, let's try. I want to use it. So, in the recent teamwork I had, I realized one of my teammates has a strong integrity for making things done. What do you think?
Sentence is quite good. Just a small adjustment. You could say, in the recent teamwork I had, I realized one of my teammates has strong integrity in getting things done.
Okay, so I should say has a strong integrity. Oh, nice. Understood.
My teammate has strong integrity, or my teammate shows great integrity.
Okay, so can we go to the phrase number 10?
Let's
Or
practice the
maybe go back to the first one. Nice. So, I think I need to finish this session. I should say goodbye. It also can't finish the session and going back to the phrase page. So you see, this is a great way of practicing the phrases, like having a teacher, AI teacher with you, and you can practice and internalize whatever you want. The traditional way is flashcard. It is flipping card that you can just guess the flip side of the card like this. And you can go through all those phrases that you added. So now me explain how you can use the extension of the Subturtle, because Subturtle has an extension also. The extension gives you the ability, if you are in YouTube or Netflix, you can just
Or it became content.
you can just hover the phrases or words over the subtitle and see the definition. And if you want, you can save the definition. For example, I already saved this in the test one phrase. Let's also you can see the definition for a multiple words by pressing the command and trying to mark few words. So for installing this, you just need to have a Google Chrome browser, then coming to the main menu of it, pressing the extension submenu, and then the submenu. There is another submenu, it's outside of the frame, which is the Google Chrome Web Store. If you press it, you will enter to the Web Store page. You just need to write Subturtle like this, and then you can find it. So if you already install it, this is the you can remove, but if you haven't, you can install actually, because this button will be installed probably for you. So after installing, you just have it in the YouTube and Netflix. You just need to activate the caption and then it start working for you. Also, from here, you can pin the subturtle. After pinning, you will get the icon here. If you press that icon, you will get the login ability. You can log in by account. It should be Gmail actually. And then there is a walkthrough how you can use the extension, and it is pretty simple like what I explained. Also here you can change the language, which I already selected Russian. Yeah, that is how you can use Subturtle. Thank you for watching and hope you will join Subturtle.